Welcome to What If Universe. What would happen if you never slept again? Starting tonight? At first, it might feel like a superpower. More time, more productivity, more life. No more wasting hours in bed. But after just one night without sleep, your body would already begin to struggle. Because sleep is not simply rest, it is survival. After 24 hours awake, your brain slows down. Your reaction time drops. Your memory becomes unstable. Your focus starts to disappear. Driving a car in this state would be as dangerous as driving drunk. And you wouldn't even notice how impaired you really are. After 48 hours, your body enters a state of stress. Your immune system weakens. Your heart works harder. Your stress hormones flood your bloodstream. And then something strange begins to happen. Microsleeps. For a few seconds, your brain shuts down without warning. Your eyes can remain open, your body can remain standing, but your mind goes completely offline. Now imagine this happening while walking down the street, working, or crossing a road. By the third day, reality itself starts to break. Your brain can no longer regulate your emotions. Small problems feel overwhelming. You become anxious, paranoid, irrational, and then the hallucinations begin. You see movement in the shadows. You hear sounds that don't exist. You feel things touching your skin when nothing is there. This is not just exhaustion. This is neurological failure. After one full week without sleep, your body reaches a critical state. Your coordination collapses. Your speech slows down. Your memory becomes fragmented. Your immune system becomes so weak that even a minor infection can be dangerous. Your body temperature becomes unstable. Your metabolism stops working correctly, and your brain begins forcing fragments of sleep while you are still awake. You lose control of your own thoughts. After 2 weeks, survival becomes almost impossible. Your risk of stroke increases. Your risk of heart failure rises. Your organs begin to shut down. There is a reason sleep deprivation is used as a form of torture. Because without sleep, the human body cannot repair itself. Every night while you sleep, something extraordinary happens. Your brain cleans itself. Toxins built during the day are removed. Memories are organized and stored. Your muscles rebuild. Your hormones reset. Your immune system recharges. Without sleep, this process never happens. You are not gaining extra time. You are slowly destroying your body. But the most terrifying part is this. You would not realize how damaged you are becoming. Sleep deprivation destroys your ability to judge your own condition. You would think you are fine, while your brain is shutting down. There is a rare condition called fatal insomnia. People who suffer from it completely lose the ability to sleep. No matter how exhausted they are, sleep never comes. At first, it seems manageable. But then their bodies begin to collapse. They lose weight rapidly. Their nervous system fails. Their minds fade while they are still awake. Every single recorded case has ended the same way. Because without sleep, the brain cannot survive. Now imagine a world where humans never needed sleep. Cities would never turn off. Lights would stay on forever. Work would never stop. But neither would stress. Neither would noise. Neither would exhaustion. Days and nights would lose their meaning. Human psychology is built around cycles. Wake, work, sleep, dream. Without that cycle, time would start to feel broken. You would forget what day it is. You would forget how long you have been awake. Your memories would merge together. Life would feel like one endless moment. Sleep is not just a biological function. It is what separates one day from another. It is what allows your mind to reset. It is what keeps you human. Eventually, your body would force sleep, not gently. You would collapse. Your brain would simply shut down to save your life. Because sleep is not optional. It is one of the most important biological functions on Earth. So what if you stopped sleeping forever? You wouldn't gain more time. You would lose your mind, then your body, then your life. And tonight, when you fall asleep, remember this. You are not wasting time. You are saving yourself. Welcome to What If Universe, where the impossible becomes reality.